A place for everything, everything in its place. Such a simple transformation. Whether you keep the car keys here or keep the car keys there, both takes only 1 second. Both takes only 1 second. But the difference is, later when you have to find the car keys, if you have kept it there, picking up also take only 1 second. If you keep it like that, we don't know how long it will take. Morning everybody is discussing. Hey, car keys enga? Swachh Bharat happens in the house. Everybody has to now start. You'll have to search. And that between the sofa's backrest and seat, that one gap is there, inside which you have to put your hand. 2 combs, 1 pencil, 1 pen cap, 1 remote control. Everything will come from inside that. A place for everything, everything in its place. The shoes can be left like that or the shoes can be left like this. எதுலயுமே ஒரு அழகு வேணும். No. Everything there has to be a touch of class, there has to be a panache. See, your handkerchief is folded like this. And in case it's not folded properly, I'll refold it. And it keeps there. Nobody knows you have an handkerchief. But how we use handkerchief is, roll and put it here. Now people think I have 3 balls. After you go, minimum 43 lady used tissue paper will be there down. You brought it, you take it out. Anything should have a touch of class, a touch of elegance. There has to be that panache. And it has to become part of our personality. A place for everything, everything in its place. Removing the shoes, keeping it together. Not big things. But all this to me is transformation. And the lace will always be outside. Lace should never be outside in a shoes. The lace has to be tucked inside. It can never be outside. Because if the lace is outside, then the next pair of shoes or chappal in the house which is kept will be kept where? On the top of the lace. The bottom of the shoes is where it has picked up all the shit on the road. When that is on the next lace, when you pick your shoes, to tie your shoelace with what you will touch. That's why in India we tell you, Namaste. Your bacteria with you, my bacteria with me. Because we don't know what all you have touched. We never say glad to meet you because there has to be a class. A place for everything, everything in its place is what organization is all about. Not just in the house, in your laptop. You want to save a file? Take 5 seconds extra and give a proper name. If you give a proper name and save it in a proper folder, later when you have to recall, even with 3,000 files, you can pick up the file in 1 second. But what is your name? Yeah. 1. Then somewhere your file is there, but where it is there, nobody knows. Little, a place for everything, everything in its place.